Hi, welcome to my kitchen where I test healthy viral recipes for fat loss. Make sure to stick around if you want to see how I made this low-fat, high-protein chicken salad. So this recipe doesn't call for many ingredients. Her original recipe calls for canned chicken. I'm going to go the fresh route today, and we're going to use a rotisserie chicken, a red onion, some celery, plain yogurt, some yellow mustard, pickles of your choice. You're gonna need 1 or 2 hard-boiled eggs. I got all of the chicken breast off of the chicken, but what I am gonna do is I have a whole bunch of extra juice left that I'm actually just going to pour in here. We are in business. Let's start chopping up the veggies. So while I'm, chopping up some vegetables here and working on this, I want to tell you guys a little bit about myself. I know a lot of you guys may know that I'm here on TikTok because of my fitness journey and sharing my experience and my advice in health and fitness, but also I'm starting to explore, a little bit more about myself that I've kind of pushed off on the back burner for so many years, and that is cooking. So I grew up around chefs. My grandma was a cook and my mom was a cook, and my mom actually had her own catering business that I helped her with for many, many, many years. And sometimes I feel like I get a little bit too far away from my roots and forget about that side of me. And as I'm starting my YouTube journey, I'm working on finding things that speak to my soul, and food and cooking has in the past been one of those things. And so I'm actually kind of using this as a way to kind of reconnect with a part of myself that I feel like, I haven't really been super connected to in a really long time. And maybe I can learn some things and, pick up some old skills that I had in the kitchen. But yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. I do, have a little bit of history with cooking, and I've just kind of steered away from that for many, many years. So if you guys end up liking these cooking videos, let me know if there's anything else you want me to try or cook. Definitely leave it in the comments down below and I will give it a shot. I know my fiance would be happy for me to be cooking more. So we're going to chop up some pickles. I have actually never included pickles in my chicken salad before. I got these from Costco. All right. Now let's get the egg. The woman in the video, she worked on cracking her egg with her knife, which I've never seen before. I always do this. Why can't I ever do a good egg peel? If you have any good tips of peeling your eggs, please leave it in the comments below because your girl needs all the help she can get. I don't know about you guys, but I love a good hard-boiled egg. Okay, that is good enough. That's all gonna get pretty good and mixed up in the batch anyway. So here is where all of the magic starts happening. Typically you make chicken salad with mayonnaise, and that is really high in calories and fat. So for the purposes of a low-fat, nutritious meal for fat loss, we're going to replace mayonnaise with yogurt. So let's go ahead and do a couple spoonfuls. I have never done it this way. I am a little bit nervous, but hey, there's a first for everything. I'm gonna go for 2 scoops, some mustard. I'll start with that much, and then we're going to salt, pepper, and garlic this pretty generously. Go ahead and mix this up. all of the chicken salad in its glory. It honestly turned out pretty beautiful. We're going to give this its official taste test and review, I guess. So I just grabbed some just plain pita crackers. Glorious. I almost like that more than my original. For realsies, guys, this is freaking delicious. Incredible. I would say that this is like a 10 out of a 10. And the beauty of this, my lunch is meal prepped for the week now. This will be my lunch for the week. To be honest, guys, I will actually probably continue to include this in my meal prep routine because this gets me excited to just get back on my healthy eating train. If you guys like this video, please leave a like and comment down below what recipes you would like me to try next. Don't forget to turn on your bell notifications, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, team. I love food.